Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be planning out the week of December 5th in my MakseLife planner. So last week I've already done my monthly goals for December. I think I need to put a physical environment goal in here, but honestly I'm like, it's Christmas time. I'm not really sure just how much more I can add to that, although I do have some organization projects I'd like to get done if I have time. I did do my monthly reflection in here, which I'm really pleased with. I've really been trying to stick to really using all of the goal setting parts of this planner. Now this is last week, and to be quite honest, I didn't open it back up because the week was so incredibly busy. I hate even like using that word, but there was just a lot of like jam-packed things thrown in there that I never opened up my planner again, at least not this one. But I'm going to go ahead back in here and add some things from like the daily pages and my Hobonichi cousin in here. That way I have them just for reference, because I hate like looking back at this and like I didn't even add anything to it. So there's that, but I really loved this kit. For this week, though, I am going to be using kit 455 from Planner Kate. I think I mentioned this in the last couple of videos that I have been trying to be a little bit more intentional with how many holiday kits I order. And I see that I actually ordered 2 different date strips here, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to use the strips that were for MakseLife or the individual ones. So this week I'm going to use the individual ones. It's kind of funny because I prefer this font. I wish it was on here, but it is what it is. So let me grab my tweezers. So yeah, last week it was just, I had a day, I think it was actually Friday, where it was just like a lot of back-to-back things. And I didn't really plan that out very well. As a matter of fact, one of those things was a hair appointment that I completely forgot about, and I mean, I'm glad I didn't forget about it, but I was a little like, holy crap, I would have been so bummed if I had missed my hair appointment. I knew that it was in early December. For some reason, I thought it was during this week and not last week. But I'm glad I didn't miss it. I'm glad I got my hair done. It was much needed. And all in that same day, I also had Friday Night Live and a gift exchange with my friends, like a Secret Santa thing. The Friday Night Live, I was like, oh, I might cancel. And y'all, I just have the best friends. They were like, oh no, don't cancel. And then it turned out that Meg and Myra from Planners and Wine joined me on that live. So if you want to catch the replay, I just put all the wrong dates on here. Let's try this again. Okay, now that I, oh my God, I can't believe I was even doing that. Anyway, that's all fixed. Okay, so let's do the washi up at the top. I feel like I want to do something darker because this is so much lighter. So we'll go with this one. This is a thinner washi than what I'm used to using up at the top here, but hopefully it'll work. And let me bring down my brightness just a tad. It's still going to be hard to see. You guys, these overcast months, like where it's just, you know, winter, they are rough because I feel like there is just no getting the lighting right, and I'm not a nighttime filmer. Nope, that is just not my thing. So I just got to kind of work with what I have, and today is exceptionally overcast, which makes like this side really like, I don't know, I don't even know what the right word is, but it's not fun. And I'm sorry, I'm just team can't stand studio lights. Sorry, it's just not my thing. Some people like their videos like so freaking bright white, and I'm like, I would like to not self-induce a migraine. Thank you. And then let's put down Friday through Sunday. Okay, so yes, back to the live. I think that's where I had left off before I almost planned an entire wrong week that doesn't exist. That was really fun. Definitely go watch the replay. We talked about advent calendars. We opened up some advents. That was really fun. I am team like loving all of the advent calendars. I wish I was able to get the cheese one from Aldi. Yes, I think Aldi had the cheese one. I did not. There was also apparently a hot sauce one. I also did not get that one. And I'm just using the closest card to me to cut washi because I don't know where half my stuff is today. But I wish that I had gotten that one. I did, as far as Advents go, from Aldi, I got the candle one, which that one's been great. It hasn't been like, you're not getting Bath and Body Works candles in these boxes. There's just cute little candles. They're kind of fun to just have on your desk too. So I don't know. I'm cool with what they're offering is. Let's see. So for the weekend banner, do I want to put anything behind it? I guess I don't need to. So I got the candle washi, or the I have washi on the brain now. I got the candle advent, the Harry Potter Lego advent. Completely regret getting that one. And then a chocolate one and one for the dogs, which has been pretty cool. They seem to really be enjoying that. And I think I'm just going to cover that up. So let me just let's just cut the end of this washi off because I want to put this deer full box over here. But yeah, that Friday Night Live was really, really fun. And then I did a Secret Santa after that, and that went on pretty late, and that was my Friday. It was like, whoa. But it was such a good Friday. I was just exhausted on Saturday from all that. It was more fun than what I'm used to. Okay, so for the week, this week, I don't have Friday Night Live. I don't have a hair appointment. I do have some holiday things at work though. So that's pretty cool. So let's put the full boxes down first because I think I'm just going to go that route. I don't have checklists to put down this week, which is totally fine. I am not every week going to do like a to-do list in here. I tried 3 times to put this down straight. It just, oh man, me and stickers right now. We're not friends. We're not friends. But I have space to do like all of my daily things in my Hobonichi, both of them, because now I'm back in the weeks as well, because why the hell not? I think I want to do the, I'm obsessed with these trees, obsessed with these trees. I think I want to do the ornaments, and then actually let's go up with this one. There's a reason for that, because I want to put Wednesday further down. We'll use this one because we have our holiday event at work here, and there's like really no rhyme or reason behind this, but I'm going to try to make it look like I know what I'm doing. Anywho, so yeah, we have our work thing this week, and I think that's really it. We were supposed to go see Christmas lights last night, so that's probably going to happen this weekend instead. Let's see. Let's go with this one, and then maybe the blue one. I feel like, ooh, that's a lot of blue on this side. I didn't exactly plan that out very well, did I? Maybe I should switch this one for that, for that one. It makes sense in my head to switch them around, just so that there's not quite as much blue on the Friday, Saturday, Sunday side. Oh, but let's put the dots. Hold on. Let's put the dots, and then for Saturday we'll go a little bit further down, and I'm back up for Sunday. Okay, so since, like I said, since we didn't see the lights this last Saturday, we're probably going to go next Saturday. Just depends on Nathan's work schedule. Get all this stuff out of here. Okay, so for videos, this week is going to be a little bit different. So this week I'm using my Sarasa Grand. I've been loving this pen. However, in the 0.7, it is not very friendly in any of the Hobonichi planners. And I ordered another one from Jet Pens with the 0.5 and a couple of refills just to see how I like it, because I really do like this pen, but I would love the option to use it in my Hobonichi, and 0.7 is not it. All right, so Monday's videos, obviously this Plan With Me. It's a very thick pen. I think Wednesdays is going to be a November flip in my Hobonichi Cousin. You guys said that you really liked those who love watching my Hobonichi Cousin videos. I love doing them personally because I love looking back at all the pages. I haven't been able to share as much recently over on Instagram, so a flip is really fun in my opinion. And then the third video is actually a collab video, and that's going to go up on Saturday instead of Friday. I'll probably also have another video up. It's really hard to tell. So I am getting the Chrissy Ann Designs Celebration Collection. However, my mail doesn't like to come in a decent time, and this thing launches this week, and it's showing that it's not going to be at my house until Tuesday, which is setting my soul on fire, and I really can't do anything about that. So as much as I want to be able to post a video to my channel, I might not be able to, and that really sucks. Or I will have to put up what I can on Instagram and maybe get it filmed on Friday to have it up Sunday, because I'll already have this video up on Saturday. So it is what it is. All right, so on Wednesday, like I said, we have our holiday lunch. And I think I'm just gonna pair it with this little gift sticker because I think that will look really, really cute. I'm excited about that. I love having events at work. I know some people are like, ugh, that stuff is such a pain, but I personally love it. I love doing things for the employees that show like appreciation and things like that. So there is that. And then the only other thing that we have going on, like I said, Saturday, I want to go see the Christmas lights. So we'll do that here. Across the bottom, I do, at least for Monday through Friday, I want to mark what days I'm going to be doing my workouts. So Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday morning. Okay, so first one, we'll do Monday evening right about here. I think the same thing for Wednesday and Thursday. Tuesday, I will give myself a break because today on Sunday when I'm filming this, I worked out. So I kind of want to do Sunday, Monday, break on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday in the evening, Friday in the morning because I work from home on Fridays. We'll see if this all works out. This is a lot of like walking and walk running because I'm hoping that by Saturday morning I can do a 5K, like just on my own, not like any sort of official race or anything like that. And I'll actually probably rest on Saturday and move the 5K to Sunday because one of my goals for the month of December was to do 2 5Ks, and then eventually the goal will be to do like in January or February, once I get kind of back into the rhythm of running again, is to do like a 10K probably by February, just to be completely fair to myself. Okay, so other things we definitely want to mark are payday, and that's going to be on Thursday, and then trash out or trash day on Friday. Laundry day is definitely going to happen on Thursday. One of the things I need to work on Friday is editing all of the content. So I'm going to use that little computer for that. And then Friday night will be our movie night since I don't have all of the events that we had last week. So we'll actually have time for that. And I'm just going to put it on this large, or on this darker blue half box. Saturday morning, I think since I have pushed that morning is going to end up being a rest day, I do want to do a little bit more Christmas shopping. So we haven't done too much like in-person shopping. A lot more of it has been online. Yesterday, however, we did go out to like Bath and Body Works because it's Candle Day week situation, and I ended up placing like 2 orders online. But the thing is that they had started sending out like all of these coupons through the mail, but then when it came to like Candle Day, you suddenly couldn't use any of the coupons online. You could only use them in person, which was weird because some of my coupons said online or in person, but I guess as long as Candle Day was happening, they weren't allowing that, and I was just like, whatever. So then I went online. I think it was like the second day of Candle Day, and every time I kept adding things to my cart, it let you add it to the cart first, which was weird. And then I'd go to check out and it would say some of the items are not available. Well, then why did you let me add it to the cart? So, which I'm sure is just there was a lot of traffic, all of that going on, so it's fine. And then on Sunday or Saturday still, we'll do some cleaning of the house, which I'll just use this little star with it. I think that's gonna look cute, I suppose. As cute as cleaning the house can look, right? There we go. And then on, oh, I also want to put meal plan for Saturday, which I actually just finished my meal plan this morning. It's Sunday, so I'm a little bit late, but I ended up just using like this sheet or this grid pad from Cloth and Paper, and I just love it. I don't really keep my meal plans anymore, but this has kind of been great because then I feel less guilty if I just toss it out once I'm done, but glad to be done with that. But as soon as I'm done filming today, I'm going to the grocery store. All right, and then the last thing on Sunday is to go do some grocery shopping, and that'll be it for plans for the week. Now, habits for the week, let's take these pages and flip them out. So I know that I want to do no soda. I definitely want to track that. A lot of my habits are going to be wellness related. That just works for me. I want to make sure I drink at minimum of 80 ounces of water per day. And then I want to close my rings each day, which I've been doing really good about that, except for one day this past week because I forgot to charge my watch and didn't even realize that it was dying. So I get to live with that. All right. And then the last thing is making sure that I make time to read and doing my daily delete of cleaning out photos and emails from my phone. All right, so that is how this week looks. This is such a cute kit. I absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.